Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe.